Michaela, aka the Ginger Ninja Griddler. So today I am making some ribeye steaks. Look at these ginormous things. These are so big, so we've got 4 here, and then we've just got some little pieces for my brother and I. Sorry about the candy cane. My elf tinsel did a bit of decorating. Okay, so now I'm going to get these seasoned. So first I've got some avocado oil. I'm going to drizzle some on each one here. Okay, perfect. Just a bit more on that one. Okay, now I've got some pepper. Okay, and now I've got some salt. Okay, perfect. So now I'm going to rub this in and massage it. Just like this. Okay, now I'm going to flip them and do the exact same to the other side. So I'm going to make sure, actually I'll get some more, forgot to get the sides, so I'll make sure to get the sides on this part. Some more oil on each one. Our pepper. Perfect. Now our salt. Okay, now I'm going to rub this in. Just like this. Make sure to get the sides. Okay, and perfect. Now I'm going to put these aside on this plate here, and then I'll meet you outside on the grill. Okay, so over here we've got our burners hot, hot, hot. So now I'm going to get on my ribeye steaks. But first I'm going to just put down some black truffle butter here. One for like each steak I'm going to place down. Okay. Get a bit of a smaller piece there. Okay, now I'm going to get my steaks. Here are my ribeyes. Now I'm going to put these ones, our tiny ones, close to the front. Okay, this one's ginormous. Okay, so we're going to let these sear over here. Okay, perfect. So now over here, I'm going to just plop down some butter. And I'm going to put on our other things here. The butter is running away. Okay, so I've got some asparagus here. I'm going to place this all down. Okay, now I've got some mushrooms, and I'm just going to put these here. Okay, just like that. Okay, so now I've got some potatoes here, and I'm going to pour them on the front, just up here. So now I've got my smasher, a cup, and I'm going to smash these. So when our ribeyes are searing, I'm going to smash these, and then I'll get back to you. potatoes. And I'm going to throw in a bit more butter with our mushrooms here. Okay, like that. Give that a second there. Okay, so now for my potatoes here, I've got them all smashed. I'm going to put on a bunch of garlic. Just like this. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to add on my chives here. So we'll give our steak a bit longer and I'll mix up the rest of our stuff and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so now we're going to flip our ribeyes. They've been about 2 minutes, so I'm going to get them flipped here. Nice sear to them. These are going to taste amazing. So I'm going to get these all flipped. Okay. Oh, just like this. Okay, so now I'm going to put another little bit of our black truffle butter on top of each of these. So we'll give them a bit longer. I'll mix up the rest of our stuff and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so I'm just going to give our asparagus here a little spin. Just like this. Wow, they look amazing. But we're going to add some cheese to them because we're going to have cheesy asparagus. So I've got some cheese here. I'm just going to sprinkle this on top. And then our steak is almost done. So we'll get it off. We'll let it rest for about 5 minutes and then I'll try it. Okay, so I think it's time to take off our ribeyes. They look amazing. So I'm going to take them off with my tongs. I just put them on a board I have over here. They got a nice sear on the other side. Okay, perfect. So we'll let those rest for about 5 minutes. And then I'll get the rest of my stuff here inside. And then it's time to try. Okay, so now I've got it all off. I'm going to try it. So I've got a piece here. Delicious. I love it. I can't wait to eat this all. It is so good. Wow, this is awesome. You should really make it. And remember, if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and share with your friends. You can even hit that like button. Thanks for watching. Bye.